So it's bottom of the ninth, 2 outs, man on first base. The game is tied. The man at first base is a walk-off run. There's a single to the center field. The center field decided to catch the ball bare hand and he dropped it, costing the guy from first base instead of stay at third base, score and be the walk-off run and lose the game because of it. So this is the type of play that more often than not I see outfielders getting in trouble with, giving up an extra base to the runners just because they're trying to be so quick picking the ball bare hand. As you can see here, he's trying to pick the ball bare hand for some reason. Like the runner's already like halfway from second to third. He's not gonna throw him out at third base. The guy who just got the single, he's gonna stay at first base because the runner or the run that really matter is the walk-off run is the one at third base. So there's no reason why to start picking the ball with the bare hand. Now you're trying to be so quick picking the ball bare hand. As you can tell here, that guy was about to slow down at third base and stop at third base anyways. Just because you tried to pick the ball bare hand, either to look fancy or trying to throw the ball quick into the infield for no reason, because that guy is going to stay at third base anyways. As you can tell, the shortstop is telling him to just throw the ball back into the infield without even a rush, because that guy was about to stop at third base anyway. You secure the ball with your glove, you throw the ball back into the cutoff, then you just stay and trying to minimize damage, keeping the runner at first and third base. That guy at third base, as you can tell, he stopped at third. Obviously, the coach at third base, he's looking at the center field, just waiting for any type of opportunity like this for an outfield to start bubbling the ball and trying to be quick catching the ball per hand like he does here. There's no reason why you're trying to catch a ball per hand there. More often than not, I see outfielders getting in trouble in this play, and now not only with this situation, with any other situation that they trying to pick out the ball per hand, it's harder to catch a ball per hand. One, when you're playing in the outfield and it's grass. Two, when more often than not, you're not throwing anyone out with catching the ball per hand. For the most part, when you're getting an outfield assistance, it's because you have a good draw and you have enough time to set up your feet and make a good throw to the bases. When you're trying to be so quick, like in an infield, you see more errors like this that is going to cost at least a runner to get an extra base. And in this case, it was even worse because it was a walk-off run and they lost the game because of that error. That, from my perspective, was necessary. You didn't have to be so quick on that play. Your main goal there is just to secure the ball and throw it back into the infield, minimize damage, and have the pitcher do their job and win, especially with 2 outs. Man on first and third, you could have taken out and any base in that situation, so it's even easier for the infielders to take it out there. He dropped it. After he dropped it, he bring the ball back into his glove. They make the throw. There's no chance that you're gonna throw anyone out from that distance at center field to throw somebody out at the home plate. So obviously that error cost him the game, but from my perspective, it's a mental error because he didn't even know what the situation was there and why it was so important to just secure the ball and trying to minimize damage. Let me know what you think about this play. What would you done different? Or maybe you think was the right decision to try to catch a ball per hand.